So in this video we will derive your y to your delta transformation. So y to your delta transformation. So this will be our terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3. This is the delta transformation. So in our previous video, I have derived the formula for your delta to y transformation. So in this video, so ibahin natin siya. So gagawin natin delta or your y to delta transformation. Transform. So how will we do it? Okay, the best thing to do is that we will derive this into your previous answer in your chapter 1 in our chapter or in our previous video presentation, which is the derived formula for your delta to y transformation. So bakit natin gagawin yan? Because the equation that would be used in your y to delta transformation will be used. So this is our equation. So ni-screen kinat ko na siya sa screen ko kanina. So yeah, para mabilisan na. So we have our terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 3, and this is the equivalent y to your delta. Okay. So in this equation, so your given is your y form, which is basically your R1, R2, and R3. So gagawin natin siyang RC, RA, and RB. Particularly, the formula for this one was already in your module, wherein your RA is equal to the sum or the sum of all the product of each of the resistor, R1, R2, plus your R2, R3, plus your R3, R1, divided by, guess what? The opposite Y connected resistor, your RA, which is your R2. Okay? For your RB, we have R1 multiplied by R2 plus R2 multiplied by R3 plus R3 multiplied by R1 divided by the resistor or the Y connected resistor opposite of your RB, which is your R1. And also, we have our RC. The formula for your RC is equal to R1 multiplied by R2 plus R2 multiplied by R3 plus our R3 multiplied by R1 divided by basically your R3, tama ba? Because your RC, we have the opposite resistor, which is equal to R3. Okay? So these are your formula. But how did we come up with these formulas? By using your equation 1, equation 2, and your equation 3. So how? By multiplying each of these equation with each other. So we have R1, let's use or let's get or let's derive the formula for RA. Deriving RA. Okay? So we have R1 multiplied by R2 plus your R1 multiplied by R3 plus our R2 multiplied by our R3, which is equal to the value of your R1 is equal to RA multiplied by RC, so multiplied by your value of your R2, which is equal to RC multiplied by RB divided by our RA plus B plus C multiplied by RA plus RB plus RC, it is equal to RA plus RB plus RC squared plus our R1 multiplied by our R3, so which is equal to RA squared. So RA squared ko na agad So RA squared multiplied by RC RB. RC RB divided by our RA plus RB plus RC squared plus our RO2 multiplied by R3, we have RC multiplied by RA multiplied by RB multiplied by RC RB, so we have RC RA multiplied by RB squared divided by our RA plus RB plus RC squared. Okay, so this will be the derivation of your RA. So by dividing this equation, let's say this will be your equation 4 by equation 1 divided by equation 1. So we have divided by our equation 1, which is equal to R1. Our R1 is equal to our RA multiplied by RC divided by our RA plus RB plus our RC, right? So that is our derivation. So by further manipulation of this equation, we have our RC squared. So we will now factor out your RA and your RC para ma-cancel natin to. So since pag inad natin tong tatlong to, this equation we have, so makakancel yung tag-isang RA plus RB plus RC natin, because RA plus RB plus RC divided by our RA plus RB plus RC is just equal to 1, right? So factoring out your RA, RC, we have RA multiplied by RC, so we have RC multiplied by RB plus our RA multiplied by RB plus our RB squared, right? Divided by our, so since pwede na natin cancel ito mamaya, so ilalagay ko lang muna. So we have RA plus RB plus RC, yan, divided by our RA RC over 1. Okay, so we have our cancellation of your RA RC, right? So we have RA RC, makakancel yan, makakancel din to kasi RC to dapat, so RC cancel out. So we have a formula equal to RC RB plus RA RB plus our RB squared, so huwag nyo makalimutan yung 1 doon divided by our RA plus RB plus RC, which is equal to your R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3 divided by R1. Okay, so we have our factoring out your RP, so we have RC plus RA plus RB divided by our RA plus RB plus RC, so RB plus RC, so this will be equal to 1. This will be, therefore the equation will be equal to R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3 divided by R1. So you can see that our RB is equal to our RB is equal to R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3 divided by R1. So you can see that your RB is, this will be the equation. Okay, deriving your RA, so we will divide your RA by your equation number 2. Okay, so deriving RA, so we will have this equation, your RA, RC RB plus RC RB plus RA squared RC RB plus RC RA RB squared divided by our equation number 2. So let's do it. So we have our R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1 divided by our R2, which is equal to our RA RC. So RA RC RA squared RA RC squared RB plus our RA squared RC RB plus RB squared RA RC. So you see the pattern, guys, divided by our RA plus RB plus RC squared. Okay, so divided by, syempre, by our R2, which basically equal to our R2, which is equal to RC RB divided by RA plus RB plus RC. So RC RB divided by our RA plus RB plus our RC. Okay, so cancelling this term kasi nga parehas sila, and then factoring out your RC RB like what we have done in our solution or in our derivation for RB. So we have RC RB, so factoring out your RC RB, we have RA RC plus RA squared plus RB RA, yeah, divided by our RC RB divided by our RA plus RB plus RC, okay, divided by our RC RB all over RA plus RB plus RC, RA plus RB plus RC. Okay, so cancelling out your RA plus RB plus RC, eto, okay, na-cancel na yung isa kanina. So pag nagyan natin ng squared to kanina, so makakancel yung isa, ito makakancel din natin to, because RC RB divided by RC RB is equal to 1. So we have, ang matitira is RA RC plus our RA squared plus RB RA divided by our RA plus RB plus RC. Okay, factoring out your RA, so we have RA multiplied by your RC plus my RA plus RB, so divided by our RA plus RB plus RC, so RA plus RB plus RC. So, cancel natin yan. So, it is equal to your RA, which is equal to your ito, right? Which is basically equal to R1, R2. RA is equal to R1, R2 plus R3, R1 plus our R2, R3 all over our R2, which coincides with our equation number 1, which is our RA. Tama? So, try solving or deriving your RC. Okay, it is very easy, guys. So, just follow our steps. Okay.